What?
Are you getting wet?
Am I spitting on you? Da, da, da.
Get away from me. Get away. Mommy, you should all see what it started like. It made like a line.
Whoa. That's careful, okay?
Chocolate makes better.
Oh, chocolate looks way better.
Hi guys! Welcome back! So as promised to Emma, today we're doing a chocolate fondue. Again, I didn't put enough chocolate in there. Fondue.
Doomed.
First time for Nana too.
Oh, Nana too, Nana too. Alright, so we got so many goodies here. We got marshmallows, got grapes, Koyo grapes, strawberries, crackers, Chinese donuts, marshmallow, did I say marshmallow? Strawberries. Yeah, let's dig in. I'm gonna start with
This one.
this cracker here.
I'm doing this pink cracker.
Maybe I didn't melt it enough. That's okay.
I'm just gonna get started at
Do
the
it.
top.
Okay. Go ahead.
Strawberry. Oh.
Did you dip it, Nico? I didn't see. How is it? Is it good?
Yeah,
What'd
let's
you
do
put?
this.
Oh,
Auntie, I'm gonna do this. Auntie.
do it.
Mmm.
Oh. Let's try the grape. Wow.
That's so good.
This is really sweet. So good. So Emma and Nico just finished school and they were so excited to come home from school today because they know this is waiting for them.
Oh.
Mom, these crackers are so good.
Cracker.
I dropped some.
Waffle on the side.
Oh.
What?
Got
Oh.
napkins.
That's okay. You're just dipping it, Nico. You good? Good, huh? Emma, you want to try this cracker? Try this cracker. There.
Smells like lemon. Yeah, I want lemon. We should do lemon and
No, Emma, like this. There.
Ah. It's good.
Is it still good? Ooh, waffle.
The napkin.
You want a napkin?
Yep. What is this? The big piece.
Chinese donut.
Oh.
Try it. It's good.
Okay.
I'll try one. Whoa.
It just messes up the whole file because it's so big.
It's okay.
Ah.
Feel? Want some, Emma?
Look at the dip. All the chocolate is still there.
Whoa. Okay, I'll dip this part down here.
Yeah.
Chinese donuts.
Chocolate nice and warm.
I'm gonna try the grape.
Do you want strawberry too, Nico? Did you try the strawberry? You can't reach.
Thanks.
Mom, which one did you try so far?
Strawberry first. And then this one for
Waffle.
waffle.
So good.
Oh, you got this waffle too.
That's
So
good.
much
try
fun.
this donut.
I got a grape.
It's good, right? So good. Want to try it, Emma? You should try the strawberry, Emma. You try the strawberry? Strawberry and chocolate is like the best.
Yeah.
This is what you do. Here. Take that and put it on the end here.
I can just do this.
It's gonna, okay. Whoa. There you go.
Wait, I ate this. Oh, never mind. Too bad my mom wasn't in here.
Oh yeah, I know. My sister's a little busy right now. Okay, strawberry.
You should taste this one.
Ooh, is it good?
I'm gonna taste this one.
Okay, strawberry is better than marshmallow.
Better?
Yeah,
Good, right?
strawberry's way better. I mean, way better than. What do you call
Grapes?
it? No,
Marshmallow?
yeah.
Donut. Chinese donut.
No, marshmallows.
Oh, marshmallow. Marshmallow and chocolate is good.
Yeah, they're good.
Chocolate and strawberry is good. Well, I try to pick everything that goes with chocolate.
Mostly everything.
Which is your
No,
favorite,
this-
Mom?
So far, grapes,
Grapes. What about strawberry?
strawberry too.
Yeah.
This and that looks so good.
You're right, Nico. These are so good. Because it's sour. Sweet and sour.
I like sour.
I'm just gonna go around.
Our chocolate's like a fail.
Basically.
Basically. Maybe I didn't heat it up enough.
Maybe, because it's pretty like.
Yeah. But
These
the top is like working.
I like these crackers with that.
Yeah, those crackers are really good.
Yeah. Oh,
Uh-oh.
Yeah.
Marshmallow.
Did you try the? Oh, you're trying it right now.
Did you try the marshmallow, Nico?
Yeah.
So good.
The first part I did.
Sweet though. Of course, obviously. It's good, huh, Emma? Here one. Here you go. You can have it. It's good.
Want one?
Oh, there you go.
Emma, you want it?
I like these.
So would you do this again?
Yeah.
Of course.
Ready?
Ready. Wow.
It's too sweet.
It's too sweet. It's sweet on sweet. So good. Let's see who knows Nana better, Nico or Emma.
I think me. I don't know.
You do the question.
Okay. Who knows Nana better? Okay. How do you play?
You asked him a question that Nana's like.
Oh, what is Nana's favorite color?
Purple?
Emma, what do you think?
Pink.
Mom, what's your favorite color?
Green.
Ah! Wah, wah. That's okay.
But she's always looking at red.
Yeah.
Pink.
Hang on, my leg is... Wait, Emma, can you get up for a sec? Ah! Okay, there. There, sit down. There you go. Hiya.
I'm tall.
Okay, Mom, what's Nico and Emma's favorite color then?
You're not gonna know mine.
Wait.
Red?
You want me to tell you?
And
You want me to tell you?
purple? No.
Blue.
Yeah, and then one more.
Red.
Yeah, red, and then
blue.
one more.
Green. Pink.
Pink.
See, I know. Emma likes pink. And what's the other color? Mom?
Turquoise.
For Emma,
Someone's here.
pink and purple.
Purple.
I already told you.
I know. I don't want to give it away. I want Nana to. You like rainbow, Mom.
Hey.
Oh!
What? Pink,
That's-
pink and what? Pink.
Rainbow.
Rainbow?
Okay, you know what? Guess mine.
Guess what? What?
No, mine. Who knows me better?
Oh.
What's my favorite fruit? Go.
Your favorite fruit?
Apples.
Guava.
I forgot about that one.
Here,
Why is there so much chocolate on here?
you need help? You just
Okay,
go
what's
like
my
that.
favorite food? Go.
Sushi.
Yeah, and I mean, well, no.
Crab.
King crab. Rice.
Pizza.
Nope.
Alfredo. Oh no! Caesar salad.
No.
I don't know.
Okay, it's sashimi.
Yeah, sushi.
Yeah, but still, it's
Sushi.
plain. I want it plain, just by
Oh.
itself.
Alright. What's Emma's favorite food then, Nico?
Sushi?
Wait, I don't even know what's my favorite food.
You lose then, Emma. You don't even know your favorite food.
Yeah,
Now I know.
McDonald's.
No.
Sushi. Tomato roll. What?
Chicken nuggets.
Fries.
Mom, what's Emma's favorite food?
Sticky rice.
Noodles. Okay, we give up.
Pizza.
Oh, pizza. Nico said pizza.
No, I said sushi.
Didn't you say pizza? No?
I said it for him. Not me.
Oh.
No, that's the last I hear.
Okay, so what's Nana's favorite food?
Thai food. I do this. Just put it around there, and then put it in here, and then grab like one grape, and then push it in.
Oh, and then you get some chocolate.
Yeah.
Are we still playing? Okay, what's my favorite food?
Pizza. Sushi.
Pizza.
Not pizza.
Lemon.
Lemon.
It's Japanese food.
Really? Octopus.
Pretty much sushi.
I said sushi.
I know you did. I didn't have a chance to answer
Okay.
because my mouth was full.
Then, what is my favorite car?
Lamborghini.
What?
Is it?
Yeah, Lamborghini. What?
Hey.
Oh, Lamborghini what?
Yeah,
Aventador.
Lamborghini. Yeah,
what?
Aventador.
Wow, we're being specific here.
I tried
I
to
think the green one is better than the purple one,
Yeah.
Yeah, 100%.
right?
I only ate one of those. It tastes like bleh.
Okay, what's my favorite animal?
Dog.
What about mine?
No.
What
No?
about mine?
Kitty.
Kitty.
Kitty cat.
No.
No, that's Emma.
Tua.
Tua.
No.
That's the only thing.
Your favorite animal?
Yeah.
Turtle.
No.
I like turtles. You always say I like turtles.
I like turtles. I sound exactly like the guy. I like turtles.
Yeah.
It was. It's from land, not sea,
From land.
and it's in Africa.
A cheetah. Elephant.
You know what? It could be anywhere actually.
I know. Oh. An owl.
Cats.
Cats? Cats? Didn't I say
You know
cats?
why?
Why?
It's because cats.
Oh, like those cats? Those.
No, not like actual cats. Like cats as in animals. Like there's tigers as a cat. There's cheetahs, and then there's lions as cats.
Oh.
Anything that has whiskers, I think, has cats.
So is that your answer?
Yeah,
Cats?
Panthers.
Cats?
Yeah.
Mansa?
You have to
Because
get
cats
some.
could be like
Cats.
your family cats.
And
No? Puppy?
and
Yeah, Emma.
Bunny.
Bunny? You like bunny?
yeah.
That's a new one. That must be recently.
No.
Okay, what's my favorite sport?
Ask Nana. Does Nana know?
No, you guys have to guess it. It's like what?
Football.
No, the one
You
you
got
throw the
first.
ball.
Football. See,
American football.
yeah, American football.
Yeah, and
Nana has got it, and basketball.
what's my favorite movie?
Avengers.
Black Panther.
Avengers.
Emma got it.
Oh, Avengers. I was gonna say. I was gonna guess that one next.
What's my favorite? Tree. No, I'm just kidding.
Favorite tree? What's Nana's favorite flower?
Dandelion.
Yeah, isn't that a weed? Emma, what's Nana's favorite flower?
Sunflower.
Sunflower. Oh,
Jasmine.
banana leaf.
No.
What? What's
Jasmine, she said.
Jasmine.
what the heck is jasmine?
Jasmine smell really nice.
Well, that's from a movie, you know that.
What's my favorite flower?
Dandelion.
Sunflower.
Same as Nana.
Jasmine.
Jasmine. That's why I always remember her favorite flower because it's the same as mine.
What's what's the worst thing I hate, like in animals? Like, what's the worst animal or insect I hate?
Mosquito.
Spiders.
Yeah. No.
I hate
mosquitoes.
Emma, you got chocolate in your hair.
I hate spiders.
Mosquito, right, Nico?
Mosquitoes are so bad.
I thought you hate bees.
No.
Why you scared of spider?
I'm scared of spiders, like some.
You're scared of
Auntie,
insects in general, right, Nico?
Yeah.
one time
One.
I was reading a book, then I flipped the page, got scared because there's like
What was
spider.
there? A spider? In the book.
Yeah.
Like in the
I was
book.
like,
No,
I got
like,
scared.
It was a picture of one.
Oh.
It was a tarantula.
Oh, you're so funny.
I got like scared.
It's not gonna bite you. It's in the book. It's a drawing. It's not real.
I just need
Nico,
water.
would you go skydiving?
How many
What do you mean, how many?
bucks?
No, like in general.
For free?
Yeah, in general.
This is only
Nah,
water.
for
I give
fun.
you.
Yeah.
For fun.
Yeah.
Would you?
Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah.
Okay, one for you.
Ooh, what else?
What? Okay, what's my favorite game?
Gagaball.
No, like video game.
Roblox.
I used to like Fortnite
I'm just eating good grape because
But-
I don't like it with chocolate.
because people were getting too good at the game,
Uh-huh.
and every time I play it, it's like
You
it's like-
lose?
yeah, and he's like, and it just comes out of nowhere.
So you don't like losing then?
Yeah, because and then I open the chest, and then he's like, hello there, I'm right behind you, but then he shoots me. I'm like, oh my god, I can never get a win.
What? Or kill, you mean?
No, a win. You're
Oh.
supposed to win.
Oh.
I'm trying to get kills too, but
That's
I'm
why you
good
don't
at
play?
stupid. That's why I move on to another Fortnite.
You know the this one? It's sweeter when you don't eat the skin. Huh?
Really?
Wait,
Okay.
I know what I should do. I have a great idea.
Oh no! Oh no!
No way.
Oh no!
You didn't even get
Okay,
any.
Emma, just do it like this.
No, this way,
Open my
Emma,
mouth.
like this.
Open my mouth.
No, it's not.
It's gonna go in
It's
here.
not. It won't go in there, Nico. It's too thick.
Oh yeah, I'll suck it.
No. Like a straw?
Okay, that's yours now.
Oh yeah. Obviously. No. No,
That's
it won't work.
Eh,
Told ya.
okay then,
You eat it now.
dip it.
Nico, it won't work.
Okay,
You're not gonna eat
oh my
that?
gosh, there's a spider. If I was more like, oh my gosh, there's a spider.
Yeah, that would be more believable, huh?
It'd be like, ah!
Spider!
Oh my gosh, it's a hand.
I didn't even look.
Did you?
Auntie, I didn't even look. look.
I know because I was like this. Spider.
That tickles.
Spider. Spider.
That's it.
That's it. Ah!
Look at how many strawberries he eat.
Oh, that's good. Alright, I think we've had enough.
What?
I think that's enough chocolate. I think we're good.
I told up on turning it off.
Pardon?
I said I would turn it off. You
Can
turn
I
it
turn
on.
Let Nico turn it off because you turned it on, okay?
I want to watch.
Whoa.
Wait.
Ow.
It's so...
How's it going?
It's stuck.
Put a straw in there and be like.
That's like pure chocolate. Alright, you guys. Well, I think this mukbang was a little bit of a mess.
Obviously.
Like messy. As in everything, our conversation, everything, because there's just too much going on.
Too bad my mom was not here.
Thank you so much for watching. We will see you next time. Bye.
I ate 2 more until let's say
Actually
15.
more because it's not mine too. You eat about 15.
Who knows how to beatbox?
I can't get up.
But
What?
are you getting wet?
What's spitting on you? Da, da, da.
Get away from me. Get away
Do it
from me.
again, Nico. You're actually pretty good.
You know the PE
You know what noise I
like-
can make?
she was like spitting and then it started dripping.
Oh.
I was like, ah,
Why? On who?
me.
You know what I can make a sound?
For real?
Yeah, it's
I can make a noise. It's called the Lamborghini noise.
Where? You're gonna pass out. What
I
is
can go
what is-
red.
no. What is the most annoying sound ever in the planet?
Maybe
It's not really
I'm
annoying.
right here.
maybe it's probably like people
It's
screaming.
still recording.
Oh, okay. Yeah. Okay, let's get out.